Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to copy your Lightning invoice address on Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and send their Lightning invoice address to another individual. How do you actually get that address on Cash App? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's open up our Cash App. Then on the bottom left hand corner, let's click on the $ with the number 9. And then next, underneath Save and Invest, you want to click on Bitcoin. After you've done so, you want to click on the up arrow and down arrow, which is located right next to Sell. And then from here, click on Receive. After you click on Receive, on the upper right hand corner, you're going to see like an overlapping rectangle icon. Click on that. And then right now, I have this information blurred out, but you'll have the ability to copy your Bitcoin address or your Lightning invoice address as well. So copy your Lightning invoice address, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and copy your Lightning invoice address on Cash App. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.